4 months after coronavirus vaccinations began in California, eligibility expanded Thursday, April 15th, to everyone in the state age 16 and over, signaling that future supplies can be counted on over coming weeks. Get shots into the arms of everyone in the state who wants one. Anyone living or working in LA County 16 and older can schedule vaccination appointments on the MyTurn website. Residents 16 and 17 can only receive the Pfizer vaccine, according to county officials, and should sign up at a site that offers this vaccine. Minors must be accompanied by a parent or guardian. Vaccinators across the state to date have administered some 24 million doses, far outpacing other states and many other countries, Governor Gavin Newsom said Thursday at a Bay Area clinic, and while eligibility has opened to its widest point, half the eligible population in California has already received at least one dose. April 15th in 2021 in the state of California is not tax day, it's Vax Day, Newsom said. While it is true that we had a temporary setback with one of the approved vaccines, Johnson & Johnson shots represent just 4% of our weekly dose administration, he said, adding that Pfizer and Moderna doses will be able to make up that difference in the near term. The only constraint in administering more shots is manufactured supply, Newsom said. We are looking forward to getting more vaccines in more arms for one fundamental reason. It saves lives, Newsom said. These vaccines are safe, these vaccines are effective, these vaccines will get our kids safely back, in person, in school. These vaccines will quickly and safely get our economy moving again in a sustainable way. In L County, there are an estimated 5 million people in the newly eligible group aged 16 to 49, but about 1.5 million of them have already received at least one shot because they were eligible in other categories, according to Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer. The expansion means getting an appointment for a vaccination could get tougher as those millions of newly eligible people try to get shots. As they have with every major expansion of eligibility, health officials urged people to be patient as they negotiate the appointment system. To ensure those who were already eligible and most vulnerable to illness from the coronavirus, the county is striving to allocate more than 70% of this week's doses to vaccine providers located or administering doses in the hardest-hit communities. We have reached a good place and time when every resident or worker 16 years old and older is eligible to get vaccinated, Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer said Wednesday. Given additional reopenings and increased activities where large numbers of people are intermingling, vaccines provide very powerful protection that help us reduce community transmission, hospitalizations and deaths from COVID-19.